Morning everybody, thanks for tuning in. This is a house that I'm painting by myself. I've been here, this will be my fourth day today, so I've been here 3 days and we have today, so it'll be the fourth day, and I'll just be doing my ceilings. And yeah, because there's no power, we've got to set up a generator and run the power. Yeah, roll the ceilings, as good as gold. It's a 2-story house, 240 square meters. Basic colours, give you a bit of a look through what I've done. I've been here by myself, so this is a house I'm doing by myself. Now, if this will probably take me about 8 days to complete. Like I said, this is my 4th day today, and I'm actually at a stage where I'm just doing my ceilings and glossing my doors and frames. This is the kitchen. This is a bathroom off the kitchen. So I think this is sort of set up as a boarding house, to be honest with you. A couple of helmets there, got a couple of doors. This is the entrance way here. There's one entrance there. Come out here. This is set up like another granny flat. There's another entrance there underneath the stairwell. It's actually finished underneath there now. We've got a toilet down here and a shower. I've already put a first coat on my ceilings. Just got to put a final coat on that today. I've already puttied and undercoated my window frames. So they're all been sanded, so they'll have another coat and then they'll be glossed. All these have been sprayed undercoat, puttied, plastered, and had another coat of undercoat, so they're ready to gloss. So I'll just show you through now. That, I'm pretty sure, is a kitchen. Yeah. There's a slider here which will probably be locked, I suppose. They say they're going to live in here, but to be honest with you, they're Malaysian or Chinese, so absolutely a big chance that they're going to be renting all this out. So up the steps we go. It's not such a bad setup. It was a bit of a concern at the start on how to reach it. So what I've done is I've just put my plank. I've got some screws in here to stop that plank from sliding, and I've just got my plank up here sitting on that windowsill. Now there's going to be a bit of damage on that windowsill, so I'll finish all this up here and then I'll come down, set up down the bottom, and I try and drink 3 litres of water a day. So this is a bathroom, another bedroom. I think there's 4 bedrooms upstairs, another one there, another bedroom here, and this is obviously the lounge room and the main kitchen area. Cupboards finished in here, the pantry here, ceiling's got to be done. But yeah, I'll get a fair bit done here today. And next video you'll see probably me spraying these ceilings. Yeah, I'll be spraying and rolling these ceilings shortly. I've got to set up my spray gun, set up my power lead, set up my generator, set up all my ceiling flats, set up my roller, and go from there. Catch you on the next video, and thanks for watching, Bye.